Welcome back to the pavement. I'm out here.
Inside your body and then look at yourself and see how you playing yourself, nigga. This is the blues I'm playing. Congratulations. It's the motherfucking Chasers. Yes, it's up.
Once again, hey, let's make it happen.
What's the sauce? I mean, it's a single cam and
It's gonna do what it do. Don't worry about what he talking about. Talking about it ain't gonna do and blah blah blah. We're gonna make it happen. We're gonna make it happen. So just stay tuned. Single cam. We gonna go ahead and rebuild this real quick. We took out the piston, took off the piston caps. Pistons are there. Kept the caps with each piston so that way we know where they go. And this journal doesn't look, the crank doesn't look too bad. Got a little bit of wear on the crank. And the burns
getting cooked a little bit.
Yeah, they fairly used very well. But other than that, everything's looking alright.
Crank is in really good condition. So.
No, that still got a burn on it right there.
Yeah, I see that.
But other than that, these are the journal for the rods. Alright. Go ahead, spin that around. This one's pretty good too. Third and second is looking good. All right,
C6 crank, baby.
So yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna keep on fast forwarding at this, making it happen. So we're gonna run to the store real quick, grab some brake clean. Just a couple of things we just missed, but grab some brake clean and finish making it happen. Stay tuned. Oh, my bad. Stay tuned. Okay, so we're dropping the main burns in. So really want to pay attention to this tang that's on these burns right there. Oh, excuse me. Let me get you a better shot of that. Yes, those tangs right there. Burns look so good, clear. Also, you see how we have these, what the world is these things called? These half moon burns.
Yeah, you go to old ones.
Yep, that's a shot of one of the old ones. Flip it over. See that? So the flat side is gonna go towards the crank. And the grooves are gonna be on the outside towards the piston rods. What? What's wrong? Something wrong, bro? You alright? You good, bro? Go ahead. You got it. Make sure you be generous about it. Don't be stingy with the lube. Okay, so as you just saw, we just torqued the oil galley down. Some would say that's the main journal caps. So we did, it's supposed to be torqued at 47. All right, so rear main seal is back on. Honda Bond, RTV, whatever you want to say. Oil filter, not say oil filter. Oil pump is back on. Honda Bond, RTV, whatever you want to call it. And so the oil galley, everything's up there.
There's a sledgehammer.
I was about to say that sledgehammer.
Watch out for the pistons.
Sledgehammer. Right there.
We got so much stuff going on.
So, let's see it. So first, let me see.
This is not this hard.
So it's getting late, so stop recording for a little bit, but the block is back together, and now we're just running down the studs. I'm gonna come back to that one. That one's giving me issues. So I believe we're just gonna drop this in, and he's gonna button everything else up at a later time. So it was a long night. So head studs he had was not the right ones for the Y8 block. I believe those ones were the Z6 didn't fit very well, and they were too high with the head on top of the block. So we proceeded to put the block in the car, mount up the transmission and everything, and it was just getting late. Head's kind of foggy, so I'm pretty sure he did it another day or whatnot. So, but for the most part, the motor's definitely, rebuilt, ready to go. She spins freely or whatnot. But other than that, man, I'm out. Please comment, subscribe, hit that like button, and thanks for watching Back to the Pavement.